Have you ever needed a loop inside another loop, like printing rows and columns or patterns? That's called a nested loop. And a nested while loops means a loop inside another loop. Outer loops controls rows, inner loops control columns. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let me explain this code with the help of example. I equal to 1. I equal to 1. We initialize a variable I with 1 while I less than or equal to 3, j equal to 1. We are here initializing the j variable with value 1 if the condition the outer while I is less than or equal to 3, then j equal to 1, while j less than or equal to 2, print I and j becomes plus equal to 1. And here if the j is less than or equal to 2, this condition will be false, then I want the increment of I. So in this code what I did, we initialize a variable I with value 1, then while I is less than or equal to 3, I is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 3, this outer loop. Let me run code and then I will explain you. Python nested. I am getting 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 3 1 3 2. Why this output comes? Let me explain. When I is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 3, this condition will be true, j is 1. While j is less than or equal to 2, yes, j is 1, j is less than or equal to 2, this condition will be true, then it will print 1 1. Because I is 1, j is 1, we get 1 1. On the next iteration, j becomes 2, then 2 is less than or equal to 2, yes, 2 is equal to 2, then it will print 1 2, I is 1 and 2, j is 2. When 2 is less than or equal to, it will print 1 and 2. On the next iteration, I becomes 2, then 2 is less than or equal to 3 and j becomes 1 again. Then 1 is less than or equal to 2, yes, then it will print the value of 2, where it is increment here, print 2 and 1, because j is 1 again and the value of I is 2, we get 2 1. Then the value of j becomes 2, and then j is less than or equal to 2, yes, it will print 2 2. This will run until 3, the value of I becomes condition false.